We have our first encounter of making my own scrambled eggs.
Mom, why didn't you videotape the whole thing?
I know, I didn't think of it. So we first used Pam. We took out the frying pan. We sprayed it with Pam. Yes. Then we had eggs. We had 2 eggs that we cracked. Can you show us how you cracked them and opened them up? Like pretend that you have them in your hand? Yes. Yes, very nice. You did that twice.
I just stuck my thumbs in there and then I took the shell.
Okay, and now let's look at it from close up. Yeah, it's very nice. Mm-hmm.
I can see it through there.
Yeah.
Mom, I want to hold it.
Okay. Let's turn on the heat a little bit more so that it goes faster. And we did add a little bit of
salt.
Salt.
We don't need to look at salt.
Okay. We can get the stand and use it, right?
Yeah, you should. Go get the stand.
Okay.
I'll just set it down right here.
But we gotta turn it off though. Is it turned? Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay.
Mom, I think it's almost done.
It is?
It's almost done.
No, it's not. Turn it on high, it'll go even faster.
Why are you doing this?
Want to put some rice in it?
No, that's gonna taste terrible.
You want me to stir it for a little bit?
No thanks.
See, here it comes, here it comes. Okay.
Oh, here it comes.
Yeah. You see it changing?
How is this happening?
Alright, you want me to turn down the heat?
Yes, you should.
Okay, we're turning down the heat to medium. Keep stirring now, because it's really going to start getting scrambled.
It's actually getting scrambled.
It's fabulous. Oh, our chef is so excited.
I just started!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm just getting them all here.
Okay.
A couple more seconds, and then it's done. Mom, is this done?
I would say it almost is, yeah.
Now I need to chop it up into pieces.
Let's see, let me see. Hold on the pan, hold on to the pan.
Yeah, it's done. Mom, I want to do it.
Okay.
Now I'll get this all.
Thomas makes his own first dinner. How amazing is this? He is growing. Okay, finita. What do you say? How is it?
Perfect.